Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to create horizontal navbar using HTML and CSS. What we discuss on today? How to create horizontal navbar using HTML and CSS. I will explain each and everything step by step with coding. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you want to get my latest updates, compulsory you can subscribe my channel. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today? How to create horizontal navbar. What we discuss on? How to create horizontal navbar or horizontal menu or horizontal navigation bar using HTML and CSS. This is the basic HTML we all of you know. Here, first of all, I am write the basic HTML. Next, I will apply the CSS for this HTML. Using HTML and CSS. Using HTML and CSS, here I am write UL class equal to HR nav. Here I am write li a href. Sorry, a href. Yellow products services clients careers and conduct. First of all, once we will check the output. Yeah, this is the basic HTML output. Next, I will apply the CSS for this. Adding 0. Next, I will write the H1 text align center. Color. Okay. So check the output. And this is the output. Adding 20 pixel. Next, I will write the HR nav list style type. List style type none. Display. Bucket. Lamp text. Adding 0, margin 0, width 100%, dot HR now li a color white, background color dash 3A 3D 3D color white font size 15 pixel padding 20 pixel 70 pixel display block to check the output. This is the output. Test declaration none. Test declaration none. Next I will apply the .hr nav like a colon. Background color dash f 00253. So guys, this is the process to write the Navbar. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, if you want to get my latest updates, compulsory you can subscribe my channel. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.